Kapag tinanong ka ng prioritization ng patient needs, isipin mo si ABC and Maslow's hierarchy of needs. In this video, pag-usapan muna natin si ABC. Ginagamit to during emergency situations, the airway, breathing, and circulation. Magkakasunod yun guys, sa ganong order mo dapat siya i-prioritize. Airway muna, sunod si breathing, and then circulation. First sa airway, ito yung tatanungin mo, nakakadaan ba ng maayos yung hangin sa airway ni patient? Meron bang bronchoconstriction na nangyayari during asthma or naka-aspirate ba ng foreign object yung patient natin? Meron bang stridor, wheezing, which are signs ng obstruction? Basta any form of obstruction na nakakaapekto sa pagdaan ng hangin sa airway ni patient. For the second one, B, the breathing. Again, from the word itself, yung paghinga ng patient and yung gas exchange na nangyayari sa alveoli. Dito mo ina-assess yung breathing pattern and yung respiratory effort niya. Dito rin pumapasok yung mga conditions kung saan affected yung alveoli natin like emphysema, pneumonia, basta anything na nakakaapekto sa gas exchange. Lastly, for the circulation, the question here is, meron bang good delivery ng blood throughout the body? Kasi remember, yung blood, diba siya yung nag-carry ng oxygen para sa buong katawan natin. Dito mo tinatanong kung meron bang good perfusion sa mga body organs natin. Meron bang bleeding, hemorrhage? Kasi alam natin kapag tumatagas yung dugo na hindi naman dapat, kulang yung nagsisirculate na blood para ma-perfuse yung buong body natin. Pwede rin yung clots, basta anything na nakakaapekto sa good circulation sa body. Pwede mo itong ma-assess through inspecting the skin, pinkish ba siya or bluish, by touching the skin, is it warm or cool, and yung capillary refill time niya. So that's a simple explanation of the ABC prioritization. If you want more nursing lectures, follow me on my YouTube channel, Nursing Notes.